Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Temu. And if you have not heard about Temu, Temu is an online marketplace that sells a variety of different products for really low prices. They have everything from craft supplies to kitchen products, home decor, apparel. They have just about anything that you can think of. They also give you free shipping on your order, and they have a 90-day return policy, and they're going to give you a coupon code today to share with you so you can save 30% off of your order. They sent me a variety of different products to showcase. I'm going to show you each one of the products that they sent me. I'll give you the price point for each one. So let's get started. And be sure to use the coupon code and the link below to go to their site. This first one, this is a little clothes shaver. The little compartment underneath is where you put the batteries, and then the part where the fuzz goes in was the one I just pulled off. Just turn it on and you just go in circles on your fabric, and it takes all the little balls off of your sweater. I actually had fun doing this, actually. Okay, then you just open it up and you take the fuzz out, and then it had a little lint brush that you kind of wipe it off with. But it really worked good. Look how much fuzz I got off of there. I mean, I was surprised how well this worked. And you get 2 extra blades to go with it. I would say this was a deal. And this only comes in at $6.48. That was a great price. Okay, this next one is a measurement equivalent chart. It goes from cups to tablespoons to teaspoons. It even does a little bit of metric. It has a magnet on the back. You just put it on your refrigerator. Comes in at 48 cents. You cannot beat that. Next one was some microfiber dish rags. You got 5 in a pack. A lot of times I buy dishcloths and they just don't hold water very well, or they're real thin. These were really nice and thick, and I did use them to clean out my refrigerator. But I just added a little bit of soap on them and kind of ran them through my water and then kind of squeezed them out. But they really did absorb water well. And they look like they're going to hold up pretty good in the washing machine. And these came in at $3.98. I think that was a good deal. Next up are these refrigerator liners. I didn't even know they made these. You get 4 of them in a pack. To do a whole refrigerator, though, if you have a larger refrigerator, you probably need 2 packs to do these. But they've got kind of a bubble finish on the top of them, so stuff doesn't slide around at all. They're pretty thick, and they couldn't have come at a better time because I just cleaned out my refrigerator. But they do look good in your refrigerator, and they do keep your shelves clean. These came in at $3.19 for a pack of 4. This next one is a pet hair removal tool. It cleans your carpet and your rugs. If you have pets that shed at all, this is a great tool to get. I vacuumed my carpet with my Dyson vacuum cleaner before I even did this. And I am a very clean housekeeper, and I could not believe how much hair I pulled out of this rug with this tool. Well, Murphy had to get into the game too. So just keep rubbing it back and forth. And I'll show you how much I got off of this little section by using this tool. This tool is amazing. And you get 2 of these for $1.98. Okay, this one is the Angry Mama microwave cleaner. You're just going to take the head off. You're going to go ahead and fill up to the fill line, the first fill line with vinegar and the second fill line with water, and then we're going to put her in the microwave for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, let it cool for 2 minutes, and then you can take it out and wipe your microwave out. Let's put her to the test. 7 minutes. Okay, deal or done. Let's check it out. Okay, my microwave was already clean before I did this, but look how much came out of that I didn't even see. Definitely a deal. And this one came in at $2.08. This next one are these little dryer things. They have little animals on them. What they do is they just reduce static in your dryer. They dry your clothes a little bit faster, and they release dog hair off of if your dog's blankets or their bedding, and it takes it and puts it into the filter. So I'm gonna put it through the test with Murphy's blanket. He is a shedder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in at the time that I'm putting him into the dryer. All right, let's put him to the test and see what happens. His blanket came out pretty clean. I was real impressed with this. And you get 3 of them for 83 cents. You can't beat that. Next up is a cake decorating kit. It's a 50-piece kit. You get a plastic piping bag. You get the little tip to go on the end to hold your tips in. And this thing comes with 47 different tips. Now, some of them are similar to each other, but they're different sizes. But there's 47 of them. Now, these are not stainless steel, so you will have to dry these really well. But I could not believe for 50-piece kit like this, what this came in at. You're going to be shocked. I don't think that they could even make this that cheap. 88 cents. Who does that, really? Next, I got these two flexible cutting boards. They're great for your kitchen. They store easily. You can also use them in the craft room. They're great for working with clay even. And these come in at 78 cents. That was a really good value. Next, I got these little hooks. They got an adhesive back on them, and you just hang them up. You can hang towels on them. You can hang spoons on them. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do with mine, but they are really strong. I couldn't believe how strong these little things were. And they're around $1.29 for a pack of 3 of them. And I'm just going to hang my little cutting board on it. I put it in my kitchen cabinet, and I'm just going to hang my little cutting boards on it. Okay, next I got these heat insulated pads. They're great for putting on your countertops, so you can put a hot pan on or a hot pot on it to protect your countertops. These came in at 48 cents a piece. Okay, next were these scissors. These are one of my very favorites of all the things I got. They cut herbs, so you can put fresh herbs in your food while you're in the kitchen cooking, but that's not what I'm going to use mine for. I'm going to use mine for cutting in my craft room, so if you have a scene where you want to put grass, these make a great grass. If you cut them the opposite way, you can have confetti. These sell on Amazon for $6.89. You're not going to believe how cheap they are at Temu. $1.98. You can't beat that. Okay, this next one I really like. These are some oven mitts. I like them because they are small. I have a pair just like these, but they are big and bulky. I liked how these fit my hands real well. And I'm taking those same hooks that I did with my cutting boards, and I'm just hanging these in the cabinet next to my oven. And these come in at $1.28 for a pair of these. Next one was real interesting. I had no idea what it really was, but what it is you can stick it into your microwave and it magnetizes to the top. So you'll always have a shield to put over your food when you're actually cooking. You just pull it down, put it over your glass container to keep from splattering everything. And then when you're done with it, you just hang it back up there just so it always is right there where you need it when you're ready for it. All right, and for $3.88, I thought this was a good buy. This next one I was real excited about because I needed some organizational storage for my bathroom. These are ribbed. They look real pretty. They don't look like a piece of cheap plastic or anything. And I just put them in my bathroom to store my makeup. And these come in at $1.98 a piece. I thought that was a really good deal. This next one is a great product. It's a corner brush. So all the bristles come to a point down in the center. So you can get into just corner areas. You can use it on the baseboards of your house. You can use it in the corners of your bathroom. I cleaned every baseboard in my house with this. This thing is the bomb. You will not know how you ever did without this piece. And it's only $3.48. Okay, this next one is a carrot peeler, but be sure and pull the plastic cover off when you get it. I tried to use it. I didn't see the plastic cover, and I tried to grate the carrot, and I was like, oh my God, this is such a dud. But then I finally went to the kitchen to clean it up, and then that's when I saw the plastic on it. And this thing works so good. It really protects your hands from getting cut. And it's only $1.28. Next one are some silicone bowl covers. These actually worked really good. I was surprised because they were so flimsy when I first got them, but once you stretch them over your bowl, they do hold pretty snug. The largest bowl that they are going to fit, though, for the largest one that comes in this kit is only going to fit over a bowl that's about 7.5 inches in diameter. So that was my largest mixing bowl, so it worked out good. Then I went ahead and filled it with water to kind of test to see how tight the fit was on these. I went ahead and stretched it back over my bowl after I filled it with water, and then I'm going to turn it upside down and show you that it actually works really well. And these only are $2.08 for the whole 6-pack of them. Next one was one that I was real excited about because I really needed one of these for my craft room. This hangs over the cabinet door, and you can hang a towel on it. I'm always reaching for something to dry my hands on, and there it is in my craft room. And these only come in at $1.79 a piece. On this next one, if you're a gardener, these are almost a must-have. If you like to dig in the dirt and dig your own holes and stuff like this, these are so strong. I could not believe how strong those little tips were on here. And you can just drag it through the garden, drag it through your dirt and dig a hole. And they fit good, they're comfortable, and at $1.69, that's a buy. The next one they sent me was this bag. These are for like putting beans and grains and stuff like that in it. But I'm using these for a totally different purpose. I'm going to put my weighted beads in these. And that whole container that I'm holding there in my hand fit in this bag. And I was able to put even more in this bag than that one. So that's really a good value if you're going to use it for something like weighted beads or grains. It stands up good. And for 98 cents, I am going to go ahead and order some more. Next one is a little seasoning caddy. I just put my salt, pepper, my garlic salt in it, and then my seasoning salt in it. You put it right next to your stove. It's got the spoons already in it. This was a pretty heavy duty piece. I was real happy with this one, and it holds so much. You won't believe how much it holds. And for $3.58, I think that's a good buy. Okay, this last one I got is a jar opener. It opens up several different sizes of jars. This worked so good. I put it on a jar that I tried to open up by hand, and it was a little bit hard, but this thing opened it up so easy. It was incredible how good this works. And then for $1.68, I thought this was really a good buy. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Be sure and use the coupon code JOY3254, and be sure and use the link that's in the description below to go to their site. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to see future videos, hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I have another video, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.